guests in the studio with me from GCB, and they're going to be telling us more about a new product on the block. I've got Sina Kamagate. He's the Executive Head, Retail Banking Department. Also in the studio, Belinda Ofori-Jampo, Head of Products and Promotions. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning.
Good morning.
It's not too late to say Happy New Year, is it?
No. Not all.
Happy New Year. Now this product that we're going to be talking about, I know it'll come as sweet news to many of us. We know how long January can be, but do tell us, it's the personal loan promo. It's been running for a while now. I believe it was launched sometime last August. How is it doing? What is the feedback? What are the success stories?
Okay, good morning, Helen, and to your listeners. I remember last year, August, we had our first interview in this very studio when we launched the product. And so this is like a deja vu. We are back here again just to give the stories around how this whole promo has fared. The promo has been good. From day one, we were clear on our mind why we were doing this. We indicated that it's not just one of those products to make money. 2 years ago, GCB was 70. And so as part of the celebrations, we needed to give something back to the society. And around that time, what we felt was needed most was to give some loans to our customers and even those who wanted to do business with us. And that's exactly what we did. And the uptake has been amazing. It has been amazing. I mean, this loan was supposed to be run for 6 months. Okay. We started in August, and so come February ending, we'll be off this promo. And so we are coming back to say thank you to Ghanaians. This is actually Ghanaians because it wasn't just open for to our customers. We had some non-customers who signed up, and that's the excitement we brought to this country. And so just to tell Ghanaians, we thank them and to remind them that, you know, even though on the calendar today is 20th of January,
that's right,
it is actually 5th of January because it's still so long to get to payday. And so we are telling them the opportunity still exists for them to come for more. So I mean, this is a thank you and a comeback to Ghanaians.
Certainly. Yeah. January is very long, you know. I'm feeling the impact. But Belinda, for those who want to still get involved in the promotion, is it too late for them to get involved?
Not at all. As Sina indicated, the promo ends on the 28th of February. So between now and 28th of February, customers can access the facility. And also, you know, when we all know time value of money.
That's right.
You know, it's always, if you need the money, you get it now. And GCB is ready to offer the facility for you to have access to the loan to be able to meet the need that you have, instead of just waiting and then saying that probably I can save and then be able to gather some money to I mean just finance the need that you have. So for me, I think since GCB is available and then has made this promo available to all salary account holders, I think it's a good time, and it's so juicy. I mean, the package is so juicy. So our hands are open for our customers to come in. Yeah.
Exciting. So there's room for more of us to, you know, still slide through the door up until February 28th.
Exactly.
Okay,
yes,
so you need to make haste while the sun shines, certainly.
Yeah.
And so I know it's not only relegated to GCB customers. What is the criteria? How does one become eligible for this package?
All right. Okay, thank you very much. So thank you for the question. It's just simple. You need to maintain a salary account with GCB. And one other thing is that it's just to receive just at least 1 month's salary into the account that will qualify you to access this facility. And then also, I mean, you know, terms and conditions should apply when it comes to facilities. So you should be credit worthy. That is, you should have good credit scoring. So for those customers, and then even those who do not have accounts with us, who would want to access this to have financial freedom, we are ready and open for them to bring their salary for the first month, and then they can qualify for the facility.
Okay, so was there an uptake of that? Those who, joined without having an account, was there a lot of people who then had their salaries coming to GCB so they could take advantage of this juicy promo?
Yeah, well, I mean, we had a lot of those cohort of customers, and for non-customers who actually had taken loan facilities with other banks, the queue from that side was very long. And so you have a loan with a bank, you are paying 29%. GCB comes in and gives you 22% fixed. And so, I mean, it's only rational that you go, you come to GCB, we pre-finance or refinance that facility, we give you money to go and pay off Bank A, and then you bring your facility to us. What that meant was that right when you made that decision, you got financial freedom, because first of all, our loans are fixed. And so from day one, you determine with precision how much you are paying on monthly basis.
No funny surprises.
No surprises. I mean, GCB is your bank for life. When we agree for good. And so for 5 years, you get to know how much you have to pay over that 60 months horizon. And then the juicy part of it is that we actually added a 1 month moratorium. So you take the facility, your first repayment month, you don't have to pay anything. So then the next available month, you will be deducted for the salary. And so the uptake was very, very huge. And we are saying that because this is a sustainability facility, maybe people didn't qualify at the time. We had some customers who could do top up.
Okay.
So if you have a facility with us today and you have serviced either 25% of the facility or you have done 12 months, you can come and actually do a top up of that facility. And so, I mean, the uptake was very, very great, and we still want to encourage our customers, non-customers, that this is 2025. This is supposed to be their year of effective financial planning, and you can only do this through GCB. So our doors are open. They don't have to come to the banking hall. All they need to do is to place a call, and a salesperson will be mapped to them. And in terms of placing the call, you can call our toll-free lines 0800 422 422, 0800 422 422, and immediately the next available salesperson would reach you. It's as short as calling our contact center. And so we encourage them to come on board.
I love that slogan, the year of effective financial planning. It's very important. But for those who want to know, what exactly does this juicy promo entail? List that for us, please.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Sina has said quite a number of them, but I'll recap them.
Sure.
All right. So for our salary workers, those that are with us and those who want to come, they can access as much as 700,000, up to 700,000, depending on your salary, or your net salary. Okay. And then how do we calculate this? This is calculated based on up to 50% of your debt service ratio to your income. So we look at your salary, and then we look at how much you can take. So we can use up to 50% of your net salary to determine the loan amount.
Right.
And the icing on the cake is that this facility that we are giving to you is, we apply a 22% interest rate on it, and this 22% is fixed over the tenure of the facility that you take.
So like Sina said, no funny surprises. It's not going to shift.
No, so it's a fixed amount that you'll be paying every month. And then also with this facility, it is the interest rate is calculated on reducing balance. I'll explain later. It's calculated on, and then on top of this as well, we are giving a 1 month repayment holiday. So you take it this month. Today is 20th. You take it at the end of the month. You don't pay anything. You wait till the end of February before you pay. Okay, so that is what the how do you see this package is. And then also when it comes to the flexibility of repayment, you can have from 6 months up to 60 months.
Okay.
So you can take up to, I mean, you can pay within a 6-month period, 1 year, 2, up to 5 years. So that's for 60 months. Okay. And because we are, I mean, the purpose for this promo is to at least give financial freedom and then also offer affordable financing to our customers. The upfront fees that we charge, I mean, it's one-off. It has been reduced drastically just to make sure that you contract the facility at a very low rate. And then also, I mean, the list is endless.
Right.
I mean,
we have
exactly. So as Sina indicated, I mean, we'll deliver this facility within 24 hours. So sometimes you can even have it less than 24 hours. When you go through the simple account opening or the application process, is just straightforward. One other thing is that we have 25%, and that is if your repayment travels 25%, you can come for a top-up. Okay, so that you have more money, okay, to be able to plan and then to do all the other things that you want to. Again, as Sina indicated, we can refinance. We are ready to refinance your loan. If you have a facility elsewhere and you get to know of this juicy package, you are ready to come. I mean, all you need is to give us a call and then we'll be ready. Or if you can visit any of our 185 branches across the country, we are ready to buy your facility and then give you this financial.
GCB says they're taking all the customers in the year 2025. But you mentioned it's up to 700,000 Ghana cedis. What's the minimum amount of money that an individual can take out?
Okay, the minimum is just 1,000 Ghana cedis. So I mean, everybody is included.
Okay.
No matter how low your salary is or how high it is, we are ready to.
There's something for you.
Exactly.
All right. And finally, what other message do we have for our viewers as we wrap up on this conversation? I know you've whet a lot of appetite this morning. I'm sure there'll be a long line once we get back to the office.
So just to round everything up, we just don't give you the facility. We provide you award-winning channels that you can use in utilizing the funds that have been disbursed for you. The GCB mobile app is the best app in Ghana, as we were awarded last year. And so that app is not just an app, but it's a bank and a lifestyle manager. And so our customers, after facilities have been disbursed to them, can use the app and win and stand in line to actually draw for some holiday in Dubai. And so as you spend on these channels, the app and our USSD, the *422, you stand the chance of getting into a draw that can give you a holiday ticket to Dubai. We are telling our customers that as they use these digital channels, fraudsters are also on the side trying to take undue advantage of them, and we call them with all sorts of sweets to get them to compromise their credentials. And so if for any reason at all you get a call that GCB is conducting an update of account and that they require any personal information, know that that cannot be GCB, because we have your information already, and if we need it, we have a formal way of engaging you. So avoid any form of call to get you to release your information. So if you have any of these calls and you want to validate, you can call our toll-free line 0800-422-422, and a staff of GCB would engage you. And so we want to wish our customers the best of this year. We are telling them that this year we have declared as a year of effective financial planning, and GCB will be there to support them on the journey. Thank you.
Thank you so much. What a pleasure it has been. Let me say thank you again to Sina Kamagati, Executive Head, Retail Banking Department. Also a very big thank you to Belinda Ofori Jampo, Head of Products and Promotions. I know your appetites have been whet. 0800-422-422. We'll pause now for a quick break. When we come back,